Hello everyone. Hope you are doing good. And in this video, we will be talking about the most interview asked question and the most confusing question in the whole process of the interview for the JavaScript, which is the this keyword. And I assure you, by the end of this video, you will be master in this keyword in JavaScript. So let's get started. So what actually it means by this keyword in JavaScript? What actually we mean by this keyword? So this keyword is referred to the object from where it has been called. I know, like Rajat, I don't understand what you are saying. I will explain to you. So let's take an example. I will explain you with the example, right? So let's take an example of person object. So what do you mean by object, Rajat? Object is such it's like a collection of properties and the function which can manipulate that properties, right? So just take an example like person. What property it will have? It will have first name. It will have last name. We can have a function like get full name, which will be like first name and last name combination. That's all. So if we have an object, so let me define an object as a circle. So this is my circle, and let's say that okay, this is a person object. Now what property it will have? Obviously first name it will have. First name, let's say it is John, and it will be having last name. Last name, it will be Doe, right? Now if we are having any function inside this object, and we are referring to this dot first name in that function or this dot last name, it will be referring to this person object. So let me write it down. So if I'm having a function, so function will be full name, right? Full name, and full name, it is a function. So function, again, function is another keyword of JavaScript. And here what I'm doing is like I'm just return this dot first name plus this dot last name. So this will refer to the object which it has been calling from. What we are doing, we will be just simply calling the full name like person dot full name, right? Full name, and we will call the function like this, right? This person is an object which is having first name and last name property. And now this will refer to the person object, right? Because the person is calling it. And we will get John and Doe as a output. We'll just console.log it and we will get the output, right? So let's say this everything in action in ID. So let's move on to ID. So here I'm having my ID open. Let's write down this is parent object, right? So parent object will be having first name, which is John, and last name will be Doe. And now here I will be writing get full name, get full name, right? Get full name will be a function, and now I will just write this dot first name plus this dot last name, right? And return it from here. So return. And now here what I will do, console.log uh, parent object dot get full name, right? Let me open my ID, and can you guess like what will be the output? If you have guessed John Doe, that's correct, right? Because if I draw a circle like a parent object, and where I write the first name and the last name inside this keyword, we are calling inside the function which is referring to the parent object, obviously. first name and last name will be John and Doe, right? So node is function, and yeah, John. Oh, sorry, my bad. This should be Doe, last name. Yep. And again, if I run it over here, John Doe, right? Now, what I will do, I will just comment this out, or maybe not comment this out. I will just erase this thing. Make sure this has been, yeah. And what I will do is like get child info. This is my another function. So this is function, and inside this thing, I'm again creating an object. So constant child object, which will be having first name, and now you will get it clearly. First name, which will be Ogi, and last name will be Doe, obviously. And now here I'm writing a function like get get full name, get full name, and this will be function. This will be a function, and this will return this dot first name plus this dot last name. And now I'm again will call get child info from here. So now my parent object is calling child info. So like it will go inside this thing, right? Correct. And from here, the object is been called. And again, from here, what I will do, I will just return child object dot get full name. So see whether my parent object is calling get child info. But inside this thing, what I am doing, I'm creating an object and again calling child object get file full name. So this full get full name function is here, but the object surrounded it is what? It's child object, right? So this child object will become the context for this inside this function, right? So now if I run this thing, if I run this thing again, I will gain, I'm getting an output as Ogido, right? So what do you understand by this? I understand like whenever an object is calling any function, this keyword will refer to that object. So this is how this keyword works in JavaScript. But now here is the thing. Let me rub it from here and let me write an arrow function. Now tell me what will be the output of this. Output is John Doe. Why John Doe is coming? It should be Ogido, right? So again, this will be explained in the next video, which is upcoming. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification when the arrow keyword video get uploaded. But if you like this video, share with your friend, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well if you are new to this channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.